Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we look at a program catering to the needy, which involves recycling of soap from hotels.
There's a global movement which has had a big impact on the lives of millions of underprivileged people. It's called the Soap for Hope Project. Discarded soap from hotels is repurposed and distributed to the needy with a view to helping them improve their personal hygiene. The program, which is spearheaded by the Diversity Company, is currently in more than 50 countries. Jamaica is the latest addition.
It is an initiative that I myself am a person that always want to give back, and giving back for me always give me a feel-good feelings.
After the soaps are collected, they are sanitized in a special solution. They are then placed in this machine where they take on a new shape. For now, the soaps will be distributed by the Salvation Army in St. Anne.
Many times, persons come to us and they need a bath, and there we don't have the soap. But we are indeed grateful that God has opened up this initiative so that we'll be better able to serve the communities.
So far, only one hotel has come on board, the Bahia Principe Hotel in Runaway Bay, St. Anne.
We are working on our next initiative is about the coffee grains that we use to make coffee in the bars. We want to transfer them to charcoal, so that will be our next step.
In the long run, Diversity also intends to introduce the Linens for Life project in Jamaica. Discarded linens from hotels are repurposed to help the poor. It is hoped that in time, all major hotels will come on board. Both projects not only seen as providing a lifeline for people, but also the planet.
The main reason for this project is helping the less fortunate and also prevent all these products from the hotels from entering into our landfill. It is important to protect the environment, and Diversity is about protecting the environment, especially our marine lives.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Krista Campbell.